Welcome back, students. In this lecture, we shall try to complete the topic, the importance of physical geography. Students, each component is very important to us. For example, we can see the different forms of the lithosphere. Soil is a very important portion of the lithosphere. We know that soil is the fertile upper layer of our earth or land surface. Students, soil is formed through the process of pedogenesis. In the earlier classes, we have also studied about the formation of soil. We know that the starting of the formation of soil is from the parent rock. Due to weathering, it is disintegrated, in which climate plays a very important role. By different type of biological activities are also responsible for it. Time is another very important factor in the formation of soil. We know that soil is a very important component for our sustenance or for our survival. We are very much dependent on soil for our food. Next, our lithosphere has different type of forms, which are plains, plateaus, and mountains. Each of them has their unique importance. Plains provide us the fertile land. They are the granaries, and we all human beings are very much dependent on these granaries. We may take many examples like prairies in North America, Indo-Gangetic plain in our country, etc. Plateaus are the store houses of the minerals. We may take the example of Chota Nagpur Plateau of our country. They are also have the major portion of our forests. Mountains are the sources of different rivers and provide us many type of vegetation and many tourist sites. Similarly, the climate, which is very closely associated with atmosphere. It influences our life at a very it influences our life up to a great extent, like our fooding habits, our clothing, the architecture of our houses, all are entirely dependent upon the climate. For example, the crops grown in any part of the world is the crops grown in any part of the world are very much dependent on the climate of that place. We know that the grasslands or the vegetation of a place is much dependent on the temperature and the rainfall at that particular place. This shows the importance of climate on the vegetation of a place. The livestock farming and up to some extent the industries are also dependent upon the climate of a place. Precipitation and temperature, which are the two most important components of the climate, influences us very important. The distribution of